Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see the another one story, that is the thief's story. Okay, the thief's story. This is from Footprints Without Feet. Okay, the another one textbook you have, that is Footprints Without Feet, and from that book this second one story is there, the thief's story. Okay, the thief's story, it has been written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, the very famous detective novel writer. Okay, many of his works are on detective. Okay, detective stories he mostly write. Here, look what is there in the story, the thief's story. Okay, first of all, understand the characters. The characters, what are there? Okay, characters. So, dear, there are two main characters in this story. There you will find two main characters. Okay, the first one is Hari Singh. Okay, Hari Singh. Hari Singh. Hari Singh is the thief. Hari Singh is the thief. Okay, is the thief. And main character of the story, we can say here, Hari Singh, the thief. Okay, besides Hari Singh is the speaker of the story, okay, speaker of the story. Besides, you can say that who was Hari Singh? Hari Singh, who was a thief here in the story, and the speaker of the story. Okay, speaker of the story. Besides, you can say what you can say, very small boy he is. Okay, उसकी एज भी यहाँ दी हुई है. It is of he is just of 15 years old. 15 years old. Okay, 15 years old only. सिर्फ 15 साल का है. बट एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड वेल स्किल्ड थीफ ही इज. लेकिन बहुत ही सफाईदार वाला, अच्छे से मतलब चोरी करने वाला, द स्किल्ड थीफ ही इज. ओके, इन द स्टोरी. नेक्स्ट वन यू कैन से दैट अबाउट हिम, इट इज ही planned to rob Anil. Okay, he planned to rob Anil. Okay, and stayed with Anil. Okay, Anil at Anil's house. Okay, at Anil's house. अनिल के ही घर में रहता है, उसको चोरी करने के इरादे से. ओके, देन व्हाट हैपन्स, बट द काइंड एंड जनरस बिसाइड्स हेल्पिंग नेचर ऑफ Anil changed Hari Singh. Okay, changed Hari Singh. So that helping, kind and generous nature of Anil changed Hari Singh. And then here he becomes a good person. At the end of the story, you will find that a evil person, okay, that is the thief Hari Singh, at last, due to the kind, loving and caring and helping nature of Anil, changed the entire personality of the thief, who then became a good person. Okay, so that is what here the story about Hari Singh. Okay, and actually the whole story revolves around Hari Singh. Okay, Okay, the main character of this story is Hari Singh. Okay, so to write these just a brief sketch of his character. Okay, who? The thief Hari Singh. Now let's see the another one character. Okay, another one character, that is Anil. Okay, Anil. So Anil, the second and very important, again another character. Anil is there. Okay, who is Anil? Anil is a writer. Okay, एक writer रहता है who writing many works and sell them and gets money. Okay, sells them and gets money. अपने works लिखता है, बेचता है और पैसा कमाता है. Okay, means he earn money by fits. Okay, मतलब कभी कभार उसको पैसा बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाता है तो कभी कभी नहीं आता है. So that way. So here he is the writer selling books, his own books to the publishers. Okay, means earning by feeds and starts. Okay, earning money by feeds and starts. Earning money by feeds and starts. That means कभी पैसा बहुत आ जाता था तो कभी मतलब एक ऑड वे से कभी पैसा बहुत सारा आना तो कभी नहीं आना. मीन्स ही वॉज अर्निंग मनी बाय फीड्स एंड स्टार्ट्स. ओके, इन इरेगुलर वे वी कैन से. रेगुलरली इरेगुलर वे, मतलब एक अजीब तरीके से वो पैसे कमाता था, कभी पैसा आना कभी नहीं आना. एंड दैट वे इज कॉल्ड बाय फीड्स एंड स्टार्ट्स. ओके, सो हियर अनिल इज द राइटर अर्निंग बाय फीड्स एंड स्टार्ट्स. ओके, बाय सेलिंग हिज बुक्स टू द पब्लिशर्स. एंड देन बिसाइड्स ही इज kind and generous person. Okay, kind and generous person. Okay, ready to teach anything. Ready to teach everyone. Okay, ready to teach everyone means the knowledge he has, he was ready to give it to other. Okay, he was ready to give it to other. That means here he was ready to teach even to the thief Hari Singh. Okay, secondly you can say he was of just 25 years old. 25 years old, young man we can say, young. Okay, so here another thing you can say about Anil is that he allowed the thief to stay with him. Okay, with him. Besides you can say that means here he allowed the thief, that Hari Singh, to stay with him in at Anil's house, means at his own house. Besides he ignored, मतलब यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें. मीन्स हियर द थीप हरी सिंह वॉज अर्निंग मनी ₹1 per day by doing cheating in groceries. Yes, but still he did not, what you can say, pay attention or did not heed to that. He neglected that thing. Yes, so there you can say that how he was kind and generous person. Okay, besides here he taught to write. Okay, write and read. Okay, he taught to write and read to to the thief Hari Singh. Okay, he taught Hari Singh to write, to read and even to do mathematics calculation. Okay, mathematics calculation. So many things are there. Again, the another thing you can talk about Anil is that he helped Anil to change his entire personality. Okay, or you can say he is the main cause. Okay, main cause to bring in the changes Okay, bringing the changes into the thief. Okay, he is the main cause to bring in the changes into the thief. Yes, who? Anil. His qualities of Anil really changed the thief, the evil man, into a good one. Yes, जैसे हम कई बार प्रोवर्ब में या फिर कथा कहानियों में सुनते हैं कि एक अगर अच्छी संगत मिल जाए तो बुरा आदमी भी सुधर जाता है. सेम हियर, Hari Singh, who was a thief, robbing people. Yes, due to the kind, generous and helping nature of Anil, the person, the evil person, was changed into a good person. Yes, so that is what here the theme of the story. Okay, means एक बुरा आदमी भी अच्छे की संगत में सुधर सकता है. Yes, अगर अच्छा बिहेवियर उसके साथ किया जाए. So same here, Ruskin Bond talks about this thing through this story. Okay, so these are the two characters here. Now let's see the theme, means plot of the story. Okay, plot. What is story there in this? The thief's story. Okay, so now look at their plot. What is plot here? Here, firstly, Hari Singh. Okay, Hari Singh met Anil. Okay, at a wrestling match. Okay, so here what is given? Okay, so here he met who? Hari Singh met Anil at a wrestling match. Okay, thinking that Anil is या फिर Anil was the correct prey, the perfect prey. Okay, perfect prey for him. Okay, for him. So perfect prey means what here? Uska victim, uska शिकार. That means to rob. Okay, so here Hari Singh met Anil at a wrestling match where he thought that Anil is the perfect prey for him. Yes, एक बिल्कुल सही शिकार है ऐसे सोचकर वो उसको मिलता है. But then, okay, what happens later on? Anil was very clever. Okay, Anil was very clever. He did not what you can say, did not show him approval, or he did not show him such sign that he had money. Okay, actually he did not have money. Simply we can say he did not have money. So Hari Singh was failed. Okay, Hari Singh was failed because when he came to know that Anil did not have money, so Hari Singh here thought he was failed in identify or to identify Anil. Okay, but later on what happens? This all happened at the wrestling match. Okay, then look what happens later on. What happens? Hari Singh followed Anil. Okay, Hari Singh followed Anil. Okay, and asked him to keep him with him. Okay, keep him with him. Okay, so then what happens? Anil allowed or took him. Anil took him means Anil took Hari Singh to his house to live together. Okay. Then what happens? They started living together. After that, here Anil was Anil was, as we have seen, he has no money. He was earning by fits and starts. Sometimes he was having a lot of money, sometimes nothing. So that odd way of his living surprised Hari Singh. Yes. But what happens there? One day while in between, what happens there? Anil taught him to read and write. Okay, taught him to read and write. Okay, in between, even he taught him to cook, read and write. Besides, again he taught him to cook, even to cook. Okay, खाना बनाना भी उसे सिखाया. So many more things, and even promised him to teach him to do the mathematical calculations. Okay, adding etc. जो adding वगैरह करना है, subtraction करना है, that all those he promised him to teach. So this way they both were living together. He was making food for him. He was teaching him reading and writing. Okay, writing his name and then sentences, whole sentences, all these things. Okay, he promised him to teach. Later on, what happened? One day, in between, what happened? Hari Singh was earning 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee per day by cheating. Okay, cheating अनिल को चीटिंग करके पर डे 1 रुपए के आसपास वो कमा रहा था. ओके, इन व्हाट? इन बाइंग groceries, vegetables, in buying all those he was earning near about 1 rupee per day. Okay, so here it is mentioned that Anil understood this, but he did not say anything. Yes, he did not say anything. Then this life was going on, but one day what happened? One day after a month, okay, 1 महीने तक सेम चीज ऐसे चलती आ रही थी. बट वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर अ मंथ? अनिल came home with a bundle. Okay, bundle of rupees. Okay, a bundle of rupees. So then what happened? One day Anil came with a bundle of rupees, means with some money, we can say. Okay, with some money. Okay, then what happened? Here Hari Singh planned to rob the all. Okay, or the whole money. Okay, planned to rob the whole money. And why he planned to rob all the money? Means the whole money. Why? Because he thought if he did not do, Anil will spend, or Anil would spend all the money on his friends. Would spend all the monies on his friends. Yes, means that is what the thinking going on in his mind, in Hari Singh's mind. Okay, means that day when Anil came with a bundle of notes, bundle of rupees, so what happened there? Hari Singh made a plan to rob the whole money. And with that, and why he gave the explanation for that. And what is that? If he did not rob him, he would spend all the money. he would spend all the money on his friends. So giving this reason, there he thought he should be robbed. Okay, then what happens there? Then that night, okay, that night Hari Singh robbed, okay, robbed Anil. What that means? He took all the money, okay, and went to the railway station, went to the nearest railway station, to fly away, okay, to fly away. But look at there, according to his plan, as he made plan, robbing that money by 30 train or something number is given there. By that train he could go to the another city, the plan he made, and with that he decided to run away, and he went to station 2. The train was there in the station, at the station the train was there, that he decided to go or board on, okay, but he did not board on the train, okay, but he did not board on the train. Okay, he did not board on the train. He left that train. Yes. Why? Because of the guilt. Okay. Because of the guilt. He felt that time. He started thinking about Anil, his nature. Yes, Anil and his nature, he started thinking about due to this guilt. Then he thought about what would be the reaction, okay, due to the guilt and the thought of Anil, his reaction, etc. Okay, उसका reaction क्या होगा, अनिल के विचार, his nature, he thought about all those and found himself guilty. Then suddenly he thought about the becoming literate. Okay, becoming literate. Why? Because Anil promised him to teach everything. Yes, to add and subtract, mathematical calculations. He promised him to teach whole sentences, how to write and read. So that making literate or becoming literate. So as soon as he came to this point, becoming literate, there he thought that he would earn more than this money that he robbed, okay. So he understood the importance of literacy. What can he do after becoming literate? He knew very well, and that's why what happened there, look at there. Then what happens there? He came back, okay. So he thought about all those, but where? In a garden, sitting on a bench in the garden. He thought all those. There was raining, okay, raining outside. He became wet. Yes, he became wet. It was raining outside. The money that he robbed, that also became wet. Yes, everything became wet in that rain. But as a thought came in his mind of becoming literate, he went back to Anil. Kept back the whole money where it was. Okay, where it was. Where it was. He kept the money where it was. And then what happened? Next day. Next day, Anil gave him 50 rupees. Okay, gave him 50 rupees to spend. Okay, to spend. Anil gave him 50 rupees that he did not expected. He expected 1 or 2 rupee that he would give, but he gave 50 rupees to him. Yes, to spend. Yes, and then again told Hari Singh to start learning sentences. So this is the story. This is the story or the plot, we can say, of the story, the thief's story. Okay, so here there are two main characters, Anil and Hari Singh. And here, as I told you, Anil is a young writer of 25 years old. Hari Singh, just a 15 years old boy who was very skilled in robbing, and he stayed with Anil to rob him with the purpose of that. But the behavior, the conduct of Anil changed the entire personality of him. Yes, so this is what the nature, the behavior, the conduct of a good person to the evil can change the evil into a good one. So this is what here we can understand, or we can what we can say, comprehend by the story, the thief's story. Okay, so this is plot, characters we have seen. In our next video lecture we will go through the story. Okay, so do read it good and keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Bye bye, see you soon.